So today we're going to solve the equilibrium of rigid bodies. We determine the horizontal and vertical components of reaction on the beam because by the pin B and the rocker at A, so neglect the weight of the beam. So here's our example beam. In the 600 Newton load, have a 45 angle and the thickness of 0.2 meters. Then at the pin B, we have a load 200 Newton. Then the distance of point A to D, we have 2 meters, 3 meters. And at point D, we have a load of 100 Newton going downward. Then a distance of 2 meters. So in our free body diagram, we have this F cos X. So we have 600 cosine 45 degrees and 600 sine 45 degrees. So the two unknowns is the Bx and the By and also the Ey. So we're going to solve it. So the solution is summation of Fx equals to 0. So 600 cosine 45 minus Bx is equals to 0. So the answer is 424 Newton. And the moment at B, we have 100 load and the distance of 2 meters at B. Then the 600 sine 45 times the distance of 5 meters. Then minus the 600 cosine 45 times the thickness of the load. We have 0.2 minus Ey times 7 meters of distance equals to 0. So our Ey is 319 Newton. Then the summation of Fy, we're going to solve the Ey, substitute the Ey. So we have 319 minus 600 sine 45 degrees minus 100 Newton of load going downward, so it becomes negative. So then minus 200 plus By equals to 0. So our By here is equals to 405 Newton. So do you have any questions?
Yes. Where did you get the 600 sine 45 Newton and 600 cosine 45 Newton?
So to get X, this angle 600 cosine 45 degrees, we're going to use this formula to get X. And to get Y, the Y-axis, we have this F sine theta. So becomes 600 sine 45 Newton.